As an international student, I registered my Alipay on my local phone number and I didn't add any bank card, not my local, not Chinese, and Alipay worked very well until I open a bank account in China and then I just add that bank card to my Alipay account. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're planning to travel to China or you just want to shop from Chinese stores online, you must have heard of Alipay. It's one of the most popular mobile payment platforms in China, and it's used for everything from online shopping to paying bills, taking taxis, even your mobile top-up. As a foreigner, if you're going to China, you must need an Alipay account from your hometown because you're gonna book some train tickets, and you just after landing in China, you need Alipay for everything, for cash payment, for taxi, even for transport, in metro, everywhere you need Alipay. But if you're a foreigner, you might have faced some problem registering for Alipay because it asks for Chinese phone number. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how foreigners can register Alipay using their local number. Yes, you heard it right. No need of Chinese number. Even without bank card, you can start using Alipay for small transactions. Okay, first thing first, let's download the Alipay app. If you're an iPhone user, you can go to App Store, and if you're using Android, head to Google Play. In the search bar, just type in Alipay and hit download. It's free, so you won't need to pay anything to get started. When you first open the app, you will see a welcome screen in either Chinese or English, depending on your phone's language setting. You might have option to switch to English, but if it's Chinese, don't worry, you can still follow along. At the bottom, you will see a button to sign up or register. Go ahead and click that to start the registration process. Now Alipay will ask you to enter your phone number. This is where it gets a little tricky for foreigners, since most of us don't have Chinese phone number. But don't worry, here's the trick. You can register with your local phone number. To do that, first you need to change the country code. Tap on the country code drop down at the top of the phone number field and select your country code. For example, if you're from United States, you will choose +1, or if you're from UK, you choose +44. So you will choose the country code accordingly. After that, just enter your local number without the country code in the next box. Once you enter your phone number, click next, and Alipay will send you a verification code via SMS to the number you have entered. Go ahead and check your messages. You should receive a 6-digit code from Alipay. Enter the code in the app and verify your phone number. If you don't get the code right away, don't panic. It may take a minute or two, especially with international messages. Now that your phone number is verified, it's time to fill in some personal details. You will need to enter your name, date of birth, and some other information like your email address, especially if you're a foreigner. Alipay may ask for some ID verification. This could be a picture of your passport or a Chinese resident permit. Don't worry, the process is secure and Alipay will keep your information private. Alipay will ask you to set a payment password. So this password gonna be used to make payments, whether you're buying online or transferring money. Make sure it's something secure and easy to remember. And that's it, you officially completed your Alipay registration. You will see a confirmation screen and you can now start shopping, paying bills, and even transfer money in China all from your phone. Now you can link your bank accounts, make payments, and start using of Alipay features. And if you have planned to move to China, I will suggest you not to use your local bank card, because Alipay you can use without even your bank card. Might be confused here, like without adding our bank card, how can we add money to our Alipay account? For that thing, you just need a friend who already have a verified Alipay account. If you're going as a student, it can be your senior or the person who is helping you to get the visa. As you can see, I had a friend and I just sent him my QR code and he just transferred me money and I started using it. And it have a limit. It can be small amount. You can transfer 10,000 or 20,000 RMB, but still you can use it until you reach your destination. And after reaching to China, you can just add your Chinese phone number or your bank card, because if you add your local bank card, sometimes your money can be stuck over there and it can be a mess for you, as Alipay is so strict about its privacy and laws. But if you don't have any plan to move to China, so it's a must for you to add your local bank card. And these are 4 or 5 card types which Alipay accept. So here you can say we can scan someone's QR code. From here we can show our QR code and someone can scan it and we can pay it. This transport can be used for metro. Now we will talk about few things which can go wrong during the registration process. So here are some common issues you might encounter and how to fix them. Not receiving the verification code. This can sometimes happen with international phone numbers. If that happens, wait for a minute or two, as SMS delivery can be delayed. If you still don't get the code, try switching to Wi-Fi or mobile data, or make sure the number you enter is correct. ID verification issue. If you're asked to upload an ID, and make sure your passport photo is clear and meets the app requirements. If you're still having trouble and cannot verify using your international number, using a Chinese SIM card or asking a friend in China to help you with the registration might help. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this.